Howdy folks, Trevor here, and we continue on our quest to improve teacher feedback. So let's take a look at what the teacher received this week.
I'd like us to take a look at this specific paragraph right here. I'll read it out loud. Teacher then moved into talking about verbs. She then moved into tenses. She said then that they will be moving into word phrases. ELL students then left for the pullout. She then explained that tomorrow they were going to move their seating because she saw fifth grade did a horseshoe. Now, the challenge, or I would more directly say the problem with this form of note taking, is that there is no time designation. So when they said they moved into talking about verbs, we need a time, first and foremost. We need at what point in the lesson was this, and then who said what, and what did they say? So who was talking about verbs? So this is a great time to say, did the teacher do all the talking about verbs, or did the students? Were there questions that were asked, or were there not? She then moved into tenses. How long did that take? How long did the transition take? She then said that they were moving to word phrases. So again, there's a lack of content around what the students, and in this case, the teacher, is doing, so that when you get to component 3C, students and learning, there's not evidence that actually supports that the students weren't learning anything. If this teacher asks all the questions and the students answer none of the questions, that's a good example that students aren't actively engaged in students and learning. But these notes don't go ahead and actually give that evidence.
So what did we learn? We learned that you have to take notes, and when we say take notes, you have to take low inference notes. And that really means, what is this teacher and student saying or doing? Without that, you don't have a lot of great evidence to assign levels of performance. And if you are, as this administrator did, just give poor marks across the board, it's unclear where the teacher's supposed to start. We need to give them an on-ramp and say, this is where you need to start. Let's work on this. Until next time, keep trying to improve teacher performance.